Hi my loves, how are you guys doing? Today we're gonna make some baked snapper, and I'm using the Filet snapper. I don't know why, but Walmart, I've been checking for a few days now and they don't have any of the whole snapper, and that's where I usually get it. So Filet it is. I'm gonna also do shrimp, so it's gonna be snapper and shrimp, and I made sure some vegetable on the side. I don't eat okra, but my husband eats it, so I made sure some okra on the side, and maybe some cabbage. I don't know, we'll see. So I'm just gonna rinse the snapper and the shrimp. Yeah, I'm gonna do that off camera so that the video is not too long, and then we'll come back. All right, so here we have everything nice and clean, and I'm just gonna make one seasoning mix for both shrimp and fish. I'm adding some olive oil, green seasoning of course, can't too much, add a little more, some paprika, just a little turmeric to add some color to the fish, black pepper of course. This is roasted garlic and herbs. The green seasoning already have garlic in there, plus I'm adding roasted garlic and herbs, but if you are a person that really loves garlic, you can add some more fresh ones on there. Red pepper flakes to add some color and a little spice, not too much because we don't want it to be too spicy. And the scotch bonnet that I'm adding, it's not spicy at all, it's just flavor. Last but not least, my favorite, well, not really my favorite, but I love to use it, Creole all-purpose seasoning. And guys, if you just want to use seafood seasoning, that's totally fine, or you can just create your own seasoning blend by combining your favorite seasoning. All right, it's time to season. This looks so good. So we're gonna add it on the shrimp. I'm gonna start baking my fish first, and then I add the shrimp because everything is going in the same pot. I'm not doing two separate, everything going in one, but the fish will take a little longer time, so I'll just add the shrimp in afterwards. Rub it in, add it on the back as well, just season front and back. The green mixed with the turmeric adds a nice color. Looks so good. Cherry tomatoes, I'm not going to cut them, I'm just going to pour them in the same container. I'm going to add a few lemon slices. And for these, if you don't want to use okra, then use any other vegetable that you want to use. All right, the fish grease, so I don't need to grease the pan because there's olive oil in the seasoning already. Everything going in one pot, honestly. Better whole. All right. Add in the tomatoes wherever they want to go. The pepper, scotch bonnet, add a piece of lemon. I don't want it too lemony. Just add in a little herb butter on top, and then we're gonna just pop it in the oven. All right, some thyme. That's it. Cover it a little so it can produce some liquid. Yeah, my oven is set at 375, so the snapper may take 20 to 25 minutes in the oven to cook, so we're gonna give it a head start, then we're gonna pour in the shrimp. Y'all, this smells so good. And I decided to do the shrimp separately. Just gonna add the okra, give the fish like 10 more minutes, and it's done. Here we go. This is all done and it smells so amazing. And my pinch of peas already. I know so it tastes good. So shrimp next. Ooh, look at the shrimp. Mmm. Nice, 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 nice. This was so amazing. You have to give this dish a try. And for the shrimp, I didn't really cover it. I just pop it in the oven. For the fish, I did cover it for the first 10 minutes. Then I removed the cover. I added my okra, and then I just popped everything back in the oven without any cover, all right, so that my fish could get a nice beautiful color. And this rice was so good. I just sauteed some green seasoning. I added in some cooked lima beans. I added my coconut milk, some thyme, and a scotch bonnet pepper. I just let those boil for about 5 minutes, and then I threw in my rice. Man, this rice was so good. Everything was so good. Go ahead, give it a try, and thank you so much for watching.